बुरा तो नहीं है।
But as far as how far back it goes,
If those trees are in this one, I'm not sure, but
yeah, it would be hard to know without looking at an actual plot map.
okay.
And I don't think that. As far as I know, they did not include one map. Here we go. Let's see. Conveyances. They probably do their own lawn care,
Okay.
but I could certainly reach out and ask if they use the service.
That's fine. Irani, कोई question है? Hi.
Well, certainly, if you don't have any questions right now, if you think of anything, down the way, just since I've seen this house with you guys, I'm going to give you my business
Please do
card.
so.
But then, of course, at any time you can reach out to your primary agent, whether it's for more information about this home or if you'd like to see some additional homes as well.
Oh, okay. All right. I appreciate your help, man.
Oh, I'm happy to help.
Gentleman has a good taste. See? The boats and the...
Yeah. Well, one nice thing about not having an HOA is that you can have things like this here. Normally with an HOA, they don't let you keep a boat in your driveway.
That's the problem.
That's right.
What is this?
It's a drainage, and I don't know where exactly it originates from or why it was
If you
put
have a
there.
chance, can you ask them? Because so far we had always public water, civic, and I'm a little scared. No,
Just kidding.
I don't want it. It's a headache.
Yeah, that's true. They say the best 2 days in a boat owner's
Let me
life.
ask you, how many days in a year? Maybe 15 days. If you're so crazy about that, the life is so busy.
The saying about a boat is the 2 best days in a boat owner's life are the day you buy it and the day you sell it.
That's it. Thank you very much, man.
Very welcome. I will reach out to your listing agent, to your buyer about the septic and well, so it may be, another day or so before
No
you
problem.
hear back.
Before
But
they close by Monday. Thank you very
okay,
much.
sounds good. Thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am.
I can drive.
Evening.
Yes, ma'am. Same to you.
If you want. Can I?
कोई पहनोगे आप बैग?
Okay. On the